Raisa Bandera. Nakita mo na, babe? Hindi pa. Dark. I'm sorry. Is it dark? Hindi naman unta ako dire mag-live boy. Nabubuang man eh. Heart is important than something else. Yeah. So what for? What? Hi, Sniper. Hello. Thanks so. Shelly Agustina. Don't go for Cocomelon. Go for heart. But I want Cocomelon. I want watermelon. Ambot ako. Andito ako sa YouTube. Wala ako sa Facebook. Regina Bisagar. Wala ako sa Facebook. Nandito ako sa YouTube. By the way, where is your husband? In my heart. Also, as you said, heart is important than anyone else. So my husband is in my heart. Light. Sleep na tayo. Night na. Good night, Samson Brown. You already have 2 watermelon. Both ni yung live ni may klaro. Nagdiriman ko nag-live. Ang both sa kambing nga may bangs ni Oriana. Skeleton so silly. Ang gahay man kag bagol-bagol, Regina. Gahay kag bagol-bagol no ako nang tuktukan. You scared me by turning light off. Can't you see my forehead is very wide? It's very big. It's very wide. Show princess. Nahilom ay. Sabi mo kasi noon, add mo ko. Kung nga makita, paano ko makaka-add page na yung gamit ko? Page yung gamit ko. Bitok. ¿Cómo estás? Nakalimutan mo naman. Kalimot ko dong. I see your big face and big nose. I have big face, but my nose is very small. And it's pango. You know what is pango? Mer Pineda. You know what is pango, Daniel? Daniel, do you have mango? I want Indian mango. I don't know Tagalog. I told you before, you should learn how to speak Tagalog. Para hindi tayo nagtatanga-tangahan dito. You should learn and speak Tagalog. Okay? So when you come here, we can understand each other. No, I don't know. Piniste. I have 1 mango, 3 were watermelon. Oh, really? You have?